Hi everyone, my name is Imanuel Junaedy, aka Mr. Manny. Today I will be showing you guys how to play a cool short piece that I just performed in the beginning of this video. The piece that I just played was the main theme from Star Wars, written by my all-time favorite composer John Williams. I hope we have some Star Wars fans here. If you're not, no worries, we can still learn this piece and play it for our friends and family. Well, without further ado, let's play some music. So one of the main differences between playing a piano and a piano app on smart devices, on a piano app, you will need to use two smart devices in order to be able to play the chords and the melodies at the same time. Let me show you how I can set up my devices so that I can play chords and melodies on two separate devices. As an example, I will be using my iPad to play both chords and melody separately. I will call the chord instrument as iPad 1, and then I will call the melody instrument as iPad 2. Since the piano app is smaller than a real piano, I will have to work around it so that I can reach all the notes that I need to play at one time. In this example, if I want to play the Star Wars main theme and I want to play the chords using my iPad, I will have to scroll down my piano app so that my lowest note is G2 and then my highest note is E flat 4. Also, if I want to use my iPad as the melody instrument, I will have to scroll up my piano app so that my lowest note is G4 and my highest note is D6. I'm sure some of you are wondering what piano app can I use on my smart device. Well, here's a list of some piano apps that I have tried and played on, and I can definitely recommend for you to check out. And with that, I think now we are set up to start playing some music. Are you ready? Okay, first we'll be talking about chords. A chord is a group of notes which are played together. Chords are used to play along with the melody of a song. Chords will be played on iPad 1 and melody on iPad 2. In this song, we have two different parts, part A and part B, and each part has three different chords in it. In part A, we have the chords C, B flat, and G major. In C major, the notes are C, E, and G. Again, C, E, and G. Okay, let's play them together. Next we have the chord B flat major. The notes are B flat, D, and F. Again, B flat, D, and F. Okay, let's play them together. And the third chord is G major. The notes are B, D, and G. Again, B, D, and G. Okay, let's play them together. In part B, we have three different chords as well, F, G, and E flat major. F major has three notes, F, A, and C. Again, F, A, and C. Let's play them together. Next, we have G major again. This time, the notes are in different order. They are G, B, and D. Again, G, B, and D. Let's play them together. Lastly, we have E flat major. The notes are G, B flat, and E flat. Again, G, B flat, and E flat. Let's play them together. Next, we will be learning how to play the melody of this song. A melody is the main part of the song that makes us remember which song is which. It's like a personality. As I mentioned before, this song has two main parts, part A, part B, and then we repeat part A again in the end with a little twist. In part A, there is one phrase that we need to remember, and we will play it twice. A phrase is like a sentence. Here are the notes. G, 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 C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, F, D. In part B, there are 3 phrases that we need to remember. The first one is A, F, E, D, C, C, E, D, A, B. The second one is A, F, E, D, C, G, D. The third one is A, F, E, D, C, C, E, D, A, B, G, 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 G. After part B, we will repeat part A again with a little twist at the end. Here's the melody. G, 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 C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, F, D. G, 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 C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, D, A, B. Okay, now that we know the chords and melodies of this song, why don't we put some rhythm into it? Rhythm can mean a few things: pattern, beat, and timing. Basically, it's like when and where we play a note or a chord in the song. There are 3 different rhythm patterns in this song: the single, double, and triple count. The single count goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The double count goes like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Lastly, the triple count goes like this: 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And now let's put them into practice with our chords. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 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 3, 4. And here is the chord rhythm for part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a. And here's the melody rhythm for part A. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 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 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's the melody rhythm for part B. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a. And here's the melody rhythm for the part A with a little twist. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, how cool was that? I hope you guys had some fun learning music today. Remember, practice makes perfect. May the force be with you.